Well, here today we're looking at the green frog at Second Marsh wildlife area. Ooh. You can hear them calling in the background if you listen carefully. One of the more common frogs here. They have green upper or on their back coloring, some yellow and white on their front or on the belly and throat, and a banjo twang kind of voice. Also in the background, let me pan up here a little bit so it's not too rough. You can see or hear red-winged blackbirds. Maybe I'll even catch one flying around. Who knows? They nest in the cattails. They make their nest out of the cattails, and the males will make a nest, and if the female doesn't approve, the male will have to go make another one, and until the female does approve. Oh, here's one over here. Maybe I can catch him. Oh, there he is. And he's gone. So come on out to Second Marsh, and don't forget, nature is open. So come on out, have a look around, and see the frogs, hear the frogs, and all the birds that are here today.